Niven Arora first. Can we have you?
Today, I'm here to share my very personal inner feeling about the journey of plastic bottle. The facts which I'm going to place before you will move if and only if you personify the plastic bottle and have empathy. Have you ever wondered what happens to a plastic bottle after you threw it away? Does it disappear? Does it go on a secret adventure? Or does it cause trouble somewhere far away? Hello everyone, my name is Niven. Today I'm going to tell you a surprising story. It's about a little plastic bottle, a story that travels from our hands all the way across Earth. Let's imagine this. I just finished drinking from my water bottle. Refreshing. Now look at the empty water bottle and think, what should I do with it? Option 1. I threw it in the trash. Option 2. I toss it on the ground. Option 3. I put it in the recycling bin. Each choice sends my little bottle on a totally different journey. One that could hurt our planet or help it. If I threw it in the trash, it will probably go to a landfill that's a giant mountain full of garbage. The bottle might sit there for hundreds of years. Imagine hundreds of birthdays, hundreds of Christmas, and the bottle is still there doing nothing. If I toss it on the ground, the wind or rain might carry it to a drain or the ocean. If my bottle goes to the ocean, it will float among fishes, turtles, and dolphins. Some animals in the water might even think it's food and swallow it. A turtle would choke. A fish would get sick. But wait, there's a better path. If I put my bottle in the recycling bin, now the story changes. A recycling truck comes rumbling down the street, picks it up and takes it to a special factory. Their big noisy machines will go crush it, wash it, melt it down, and that old bottle comes back to life. But the best part of all, reuse. If I have my own water bottle made of metal or strong plastic, I can use it every single day. Fewer bottles are made, fewer bottles are thrown, fewer bottles end up hurting our oceans and animals. If you are carrying a plastic bottle, think where the plastic bottle goes. Does it live for hundreds of years? Like seriously? Does it become something new? Does it float in the water? Or do you use it every single day? The choice is yours. What to do with the plastic bottle? Now, my dear friends, I'm too small to impose myself in front of you and me. I've already placed my viewpoints. One small step taken by each one of us brings a smile on the face of my cute little one-use plastic bottle. I end with a quote. Alone, I cannot change the world, but I can throw a stone in the water to create ripples. If I succeed in the changing the mind of these presents here of pure, I shall consider myself blessed. Thank you.